Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make this very beautiful crepe paper garland for Christmas. You can use this as a Christmas decoration. If you want, you can use it for any other occasion as well. For this very easy crepe paper decoration, we'll be needing two colors of crepe paper, red color crepe paper and green color crepe paper. We will mark our crepe paper on 4 centimeters on both sides and we will cut it out like this. That's the same that we'll be doing with the red color crepe paper. My crepe paper is 4 centimeters in width. Each piece that I have, the crepe paper will be 4 centimeters in width and 1 meter in length. If you want, you can take more longer crepe paper. If you want, you can take 2 meters, 1.5 meter. It's up to you. I'm just showing you the decoration, how to make it, so I'm only going to use 1 meter. After we have made the pieces, we'll take scissors and on each half centimeter we'll make small cuts of 1 centimeter deep, like this. And that's the same that I'll be doing on the other side as well. After each half centimeter I'll make cuts of 1 centimeter deep. After having done so, we will open up our crepe paper . We have our crepe paper like this. Next, we are going to paste the crepe paper on the wall. And this decoration 7 times for the left side. Together, we are going to turn it like this. Let me know in the comment section below if you did like this DIY. If you did like this DIY, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Please don't leave this channel without subscribing.